Bumoto ng no sa ginawang nominal voting ng BTA Parliament hinggil sa proposed budget ng BARM para sa taong 2025 si Deputy Speaker Nabil Tan. Si MP Tan ang nag-iisang mambabatas sa BARM na bumoto ng no. Narito ang detalye kung bakit no ang naging boto ng mambabatas.
With your permission, may I have a few
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
to explain
Yeah,
the vote?
cover that time. Explain your vote.
Wag po. Just want to be consistent. I have been frequently attending the Committee on Finance meetings. And in the second reading, I have registered a nay vote. So, sa tingin ko, maganda naman itong, sabi nga ni ating chairperson ng Committee on Finance, ay may sulu provision. Hindi rin po na wala sulu provision. Kaya lang, I appreciate that, ma'am, truly. Pero sa tingin ko, hindi pa rin patas. At sa akin, na I was disturbed in the past few days to learn of the things that happened. So sa akin, I think this will erode the trust and confidence of our people. Because with this, with our discovery of past transaction or events, issues related to this handling of funds, sa tingin ko, we lack accountability and trust. Accountability and trust always goes hand in hand. So, sa tingin ko, payagan na lang ninyo ako. Nag-iisa naman ako at matatalo rin ako. But for the record, I register a no vote. Thank you very much.